this song is a Beatles song. Yeah, and it's called Let It Be. And the reason it's called, I chose that song is because it's a song of hope. It's a song of hope. And if you go through the history of the song, you'll find that Paul McCartney mentions that, you know, in his dream, Mother Mary had come. And so many challenges were there. But he said, let it be. And let's have hope. And let's continue. You know, in my hours of darkness, she's standing right there in front of me. It's a very, very powerful song. And I think it just fits into today's theme. So I would urge